You don't have to be a certified welder. I know many welders and shops that I have worked in, and even in the field, a lot of them that wasn't certified. They were just good at what they do. And the company got them certified. Like once they seen that they was good at their skill set, they said, hey, John, Paul, Joe, hey, I pay for you to go up here. I think you're ready. They go up there and they'll come back and the company pay. And the guy be like, yeah, man, I got my certs, but he ain't really got them. The company got them. But that just goes to show you when you're good at what you do, someone will front you the money, but they gonna make more money than you gonna make. Just keep that in mind. That's business. So once you learn that okay, I can gain my skills from these companies. I can work for them, make money, let them use me, and gain my skills, gain what I like, gain my niche, and then I can take that and go get my own. I can start my own. So there's many independent owners I have met in independent LLCs who have told me they worked for a company for 10, 20 years and got tired of the BS. And they was like, you know what? I've been doing this for them for so long, or maybe I can do this or this for myself. And there you go. But you got to start from somewhere. I think we get so caught up in and worried about that check not coming in every week, because it's not going to come in every week when you're independent until you get the things going like you want to, until you get your business up. You know, they say that a business shouldn't make a profit. You know, you got 3 to 5 years, you know, of just maintaining before it actually kicks off, because you got to get awareness. You're building your brand, you're getting your name or your product or your service out there. So you don't necessarily have to be certified. You know, a lot of fabrication shops, they do different ornamental structures and small structures, and they don't have to be certified. You know, they have to be, you know, a lot of they welders in there just know how to weld. They can weld good, but they don't have to be certified at a lot of the stuff that they do. Now, when it comes to certain specs and drawings, they have to have certain certified people to do this wire, flux core, whatever. You know what I mean? They'll get them certified for the shop. Keep that in mind, because there's a difference being certified for a company, because the company can have a on-site inspector, on-site instructor. He can come and give you a small little weld test for that company, especially in the South. Like I seen this a lot in the South. And in Phoenix, I seen it too. They'll send you do make you do a little small, and it's like, okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, well, let us give you X amount of dollars. We seen what you do. You know what I'm saying? So you don't necessarily have to be certified. So don't think that, oh, I need to get my certs first before I go start making money, because you don't need to get your certs to start making money. If you already a welder, or if you're trying to get into welding, use that job, use that company, get that information, work for them. It's okay. I'm not knocking working for someone, because it's a process. I had to put my time in. So how I'm gonna tell the next man, hey, don't put your time in. Now, if you can be smarter, everybody don't have to work that long on a job. You know, it took me, I actually worked on a job for like 10 years, you know, or so, give or take a year or so, you know, more. But it wasn't no 20 years on the job. I did like pretty much, like I say, 10, 11, 12 years at the most. And then I started doing my own thing, you know what I'm saying? So everybody got their different move. I know the guys that did it for 2, 3 years. So, hey, I get it. They was gone. They successful. So everybody got they different time frame. So don't put a time frame on your development just because you watched how he developed or how she developed. You got to develop in your time frame. So keep that in mind. But I just want to say, you don't have to be a certified welder. But once you do become a certified welder, you're going to get a certified bag. HogOn.